Hey everyone, update time. So what I love about this market, the stock market, is that every little wiggle down, every little sell-off, you got people crawling out of the woodwork saying, here comes the crash. That was it. The top is in. And that just sucks in the firepower for the next move up. You get people who are short, or you get people selling out of their stocks. And this kind of ratchet, staircase action up and down, it's going to just keep this thing going higher and higher, but in a very frustrating way for most people, because most people are not informed like us. And we have the ability of a very powerful information anchor, if I can call it that, because we look at the flows, the fiscal flows, and the fiscal flows drive everything. And as long as that continues to give us a green light, which it has, we can endure these market sell-offs. Not just endure them. I mean, we love them. We use them as buying opportunities, and we just watch. It's almost comical. We can sit back and watch as the crowd just gets sucked in, and how most investors will just end up sabotaging themselves and listening to the doomsday scenarios. I love it. I love it. This is what I've been talking about for a long time, how an informed trader, informed in every way, not just about the fundamentals of course, including MMT and the fiscal flows. And believe me, most people, when they hear the word fundamentals, they think about, the economic data. That doesn't tell you anything. That's lagging. We have the leading stuff, okay? And we have also the ability to understand what it really means because we follow MMT. And then we have the mental game, right? We know how to behave, and we don't act in a way that sabotages what we are trying to do. So once you have that ability, that power, and that's what it really is, you can just sit back and watch, and then the missteps of the masses become so evident and obvious. It's like looking at something with x-ray vision. You just see it so clearly, and then you say, wow, I used to be a part of that. And now I'm not. I'm sitting on the other side. It's like this big pyramid where we're at the very, very top, just at the pinnacle, and everybody else is down at the bottom. And then most people are at the base, the big wide part, where they have no clue about what the hell they're doing, and they're just they're trading off of every tip or whatever. So it's an amazing power. And again, all this stuff is in my report. Everything in there really that I recommended back on when the first recommendations came out on May 2nd, a little over a week ago, 9 days ago. Most of that stuff is already making money. There are a couple of things. We're being a little bit patient. They're coming back to us now, right? Like we were short dollar Canada. That's coming down back in our favor. We're up 20 points on our S&P futures position. And we did get out of one. I have to say, I got out of Gap store. I took a loss on Gap yesterday. That's a value stock, but that's a value trap. They're really having problems with that chain, so I'm not getting back in there. But the rest of the stuff, bought gold. We're up $10 on that. Bought it at 66. So it's just going great. But that, I don't want to gloat, but that's because, and we can smile and we can laugh, because it's about having the knowledge, having the information, having the understanding, and having the behavior. So when are you going to do it? When are you going to do it? You don't have to. The rest of us are happy taking your money. www.pitbulleconomics.com. Click on this tab that says products if you want the MMT trader, or if you want to learn how to trade. Click on the tab that says courses and get my Forex course. See you later.